friends, I forgot to record a intro, so we're just getting right into it. This is just going to be a quick little makeup tutorial of something kind of neutral with a pop of color. I got a new mascara from my work. I work at Sephora, if you didn't know, and I wanted to use it. So I started with concealer. I use a Juvia's Place, I think it's the I'm Magic concealer. Super coverage, as you can tell. And I just use a foundation brush and I make it go as far as it will, as far as it'll let me. And I kind of just fake a full face with this. And then we went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder. Love this stuff. Very great indeed. It's got talc in it, which is super blurring and gorgeous. And 10 out of 10. Big fan. And then I went in with my Flower Nose cream blush. I love Flower Nose. I think their makeup is actually really great. The packaging is insane, of course, like just so gorgeous, so unreal. I've tried many blushes in my days. This is my all-time favorite. It is so good, blends so great. It looks so natural and so pretty, and I'm just a huge fan. And this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray is truly my holy grail. I cannot get away from it, but I did, however, get the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray in my Sephora gratis this month, and one of my coworkers was telling me that you should use the Charlotte first and then the Urban Decay, and I started doing that, and I even did 3 clients for prom just the other day, and I did that for them too. Oh my god, everybody's makeup looked so good. The combination is just excellent. And so now we're just prepping the eyelids for eyeshadow with the Urban Decay Priming Potion base. I'm also a huge fan of this. I also have a travel size version of this that goes in my freelance kit. I'm a big fan of how it grabs the shadows. And I know you guys saw that beautiful packaging. That's another Flower Nose palette, another Flower Nose product component. They are so gorgeous. It's just stupid, Karen.
God, Karen, you are so stupid.
So if we don't mind, I'm just gonna do a little shameless plug, and I've been working really hard to get my streaming channels up and going. It's actually so hard, and I've been feeling a little discouraged, so if you're watching this, if you would not mind going and showing some love to my other channel, I would just be so grateful. And we're going in with another Flower Nose product. Dang, what is that, 3 now? This is their eyeliner. Look how fine the felt tip is. I am obsessed, you guys. You have no idea. I have it in black and I have it in brown, and they are just so good. They dry down so good, so beautiful. They have they work well over eyeshadow, which I appreciate, because sometimes I notice that felt tips just get gunky and dried out whenever you try to put them over eyeshadow, and I cannot stand that. I'm usually a potted eyeliner girly, so for me to be such a stan of a felt is a big deal for me. But 10 out of 10, recommend this eyeliner. So how are you doing? Let's do a check-in. Scale of 1 to 10, how are we feeling these days? I've kind of been coasting at a 4.55 because I'm just being way too hard on myself internally, but this life is good. This life is beautiful. Every day is a new chance to do something and make a difference for yourself. So just stay true to you, because at the end of the day, that's what you got. Stay strong, stay smart, stay safe. I love y'all. So here's where it gets fun. Sephora just came out with a couple new versions, I believe, of their Size Up mascara. There's a brown one now and a blue one, and I had to cop the blue one. My manager was wearing it the other day at work. It looked so good, honestly. I was a huge fan of this. Everyone kept thinking my eyeliner was blue, and that was pretty cool. Y'all know me if you do, and I like that crazy stuff. I like a little pop. I want to be a little eccentric with it. I don't feel myself when I'm not rocking something a little funky, So I did my top and my bottom lashes with this blue mascara. I really want a purple mascara. And then I left y'all to go do my hair, and this is the finished look. This is what I looked like when I went to work, except for the shirt, of course. But yeah, I felt so pretty. It was so fun. It was a good look. And to those that made it all the way through, then this one is for you. We love a little rhyme. But thank you endlessly for giving me your time and support today. I truly appreciate it, and I hope that you will return again so we can kiki in the next one. I love y'all so much. Don't forget to chase your dreams, and I'll see you next time. Bye.